Are you looking for the top 5 best skateboard ramps and rails? Are you struggling to find the perfect skateboard ramps and rails to elevate your skating game? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Fingerboard Skatepark Kit. The Fingerboard Skatepark Kit by Haley and Elijah caught my attention for its fun and interactive design at just $23.99. This is a fantastic option if you want to enhance your finger coordination skills while enjoying mini skateboarding fun. This kit includes 8 ramps, 3 mini finger skateboards, and all the necessary connectors to create your own skate park. The DIY aspect means you can set up various scenes, which really sparks creativity and keeps you engaged. Plus, the ramps are made from durable ABS material, making them sturdy enough for hours of play. Now, here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for something that provides both entertainment and skill development for kids aged 5 and up, this kit really delivers. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's a popular choice among parents. Now, some people complained about the small size, feeling it might not be challenging enough for older kids. But honestly, this is perfect for younger skaters or anyone just starting out with fingerboarding. It's all about building those foundational skills first. This is perfect for you if you have little ones who love to play with their hands and want to develop coordination and creativity. Skip this one if you're looking for something for advanced skaters though. It's more suited for beginners and... Product number 2, Tech Deck Day One Mega Bowl. The Tech Deck Day One Mega Bowl really stands out at $25.01, especially with its customizable features. If you want to design your own mini skate park and nail those tricks, this set is worth a serious look. This kit allows you to build and customize your own skate park with various ramps and railings. The exclusive Day One Song fingerboard gives you that authentic skate experience with real skate graphics. You'll appreciate how the X-Connect feature lets you combine this park with others for endless fun. It's all about giving you the freedom to create, which can boost your creativity and confidence. Plus, it's a hit with over 1,000 units sold in the past month. However, some users mention the connectors can be a bit flimsy, which might frustrate you during setup. But here's the thing, once assembled, it holds up well, and the fun of customizing your park far outweighs that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're a young skater or collector who loves to mix and match different setups. Skip this if you want something more substantial or permanent for outdoor use. It's definitely more of a play set than a serious skate obstacle. Product number 3, Whiffany 11-inch fingerboard rail. Next up is the Whiffany 11-inch fingerboard rail, priced at just $14.99. This caught my eye because it's perfect for those looking to improve their fingerboarding skills on a solid metal rail. This rail features a sturdy design with an 11-inch length, making it ideal for practicing tricks like grinds and slides. The non-slip mats provide stability, which is crucial for beginners and pros alike. The metal construction ensures durability, so you won't have to replace it anytime soon. With a clean, smooth surface, it allows for a true skate feel that enhances your overall experience. For those who want to master their fingerboarding, this rail is a great tool to help you gain confidence and perfect your moves. However, some users noted that the rail can slide around on smoother surfaces, but honestly, that's easily fixed with a bit of tape or a mat underneath, a minor issue considering the quality you get. This is perfect for you if you're serious about improving your fingerboarding skills or want a reliable rail for practice. Skip this if you're just looking for casual play without the need for tricks. This one is designed for those who... Product number 4, Skater Trainers. The skater trainers are a must-have at $28.99 if you're looking to nail some skateboard tricks fast and safely. These accessories caught my attention because they help beginners learn ollies, kickflips, and more without the fear of falling. These patented trainers simply stretch over your skateboard wheels, stopping them from rolling, so you can focus on your trick movements. This feature is crucial for building muscle memory and confidence, and it's great for all ages. They fit any skateboard wheel size from 48mm to 70mm, making them versatile for different skaters and boards. With positive reviews pouring in, many users are raving about how quickly they've improved their skills with these trainers. Some people found the concept a bit strange at first and questioned its effectiveness, but honestly, once you try them, you'll see how useful they are for practicing safely. These are perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone returning to skateboarding and want to learn tricks without the risk of falling often. Skip this if you're already an experienced skater who doesn't need assistance. This is truly aimed at those learning. Now,
Product number 5, Wood Fingerboard and Rail Set. Lastly, we have the Wood Fingerboard and Finger Skateboard Flat Rail Set by WDTM Mizu, priced at $29.99. I was drawn to this set because it offers a combination of a fingerboard and a metal rail for a complete experience. This set comes with a fingerboard that you can assemble yourself, allowing for customization, while the rail is already constructed. The fingerboard is made of 5 layers of solid wood for durability and control, which is great for practicing tricks. The metal rail is 10 inches long, making it suitable for all skill levels. This set allows users to get creative and develop skills while having fun, and it's a great way to introduce kids to fingerboarding. However, some users mention that assembling the fingerboard can be a bit tricky for younger kids. But here's the thing. It's a great opportunity for them to learn and develop problem-solving skills while they build it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun way to engage kids or anyone interested in fingerboarding. Skip this if you want something that's ready to go out of the box, as this one requires a little assembly. Alright, that wraps up the reviews. Each of these products.
To recap, we've explored some amazing options. The Fingerboard Skatepark Kit is great for creativity. The Tech Deck Day One Mega Bowl offers customization. The Whiffany Rail is perfect for serious practice. The Skater Trainers help you learn tricks fast. And the Wood Fingerboard set is a fun, engaging combo. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Tech Deck Day One Mega Bowl because it allows you to build your own park and really get creative with your tricks. Avoid the Fingerboard Skatepark Kit if you're looking for something for advanced skaters, since it's better suited for beginners. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going